Hello, my name's Jeremy, and welcome to Proctor Car Tips. Today we're going to be talking about transmissions, both manual and automatic. Your transmission is bolted directly to your engine, and as the name suggests, it transmits the power that your engine makes directly to your drive wheels, whether it be through a manual transmission or an automatic transmission. Depending on your vehicle, you may have a manual transmission with a manually operated clutch, or an automatic transmission with various speeds, ranging from 4 to 7, 8, or even 9 speeds. In other words, 9 gears to offer you a seamless shift throughout the driving of your vehicle. Also, some vehicles are equipped with a CVT, continuously variable transmission, using a system of 2 variable ratio gear drums to offer a seamless shift while driving. Whether your vehicle's 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, generally they use the same transmission, with the 4-wheel drive adding on a separate transfer case to provide power to the rear differential. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, your transmission service periods can vary from anywhere between every 30,000 miles to every 60,000 miles. On some makes and models, a separate filter is available for your transmission, which will need to be replaced when changing the fluid. This filter gathers up all the particles in the fluid and stops them re-entering the transmission, causing damage to the valve bodies. Most modern transmissions are controlled electronically with a PCM, a powertrain control module, which shifts your transmissions through a series of solenoids. On recent models, transmissions are monitored with various sensors, input sensors and output sensors, so any kind of discrepancies or any kind of failures can be picked up electronically and recorded in the PCM, the powertrain control module. We can then access that module via a laptop and access those failure codes to determine what kind of problem you're having with your transmission. Some of the telltale signs of a failing transmission are slippage, when the clutch packs inside your transmission begin to slip and the power is lost from your engine. The clutch in your manual transmission uses a friction disc and a pressure plate. These are serviceable parts that need to be replaced if you have any kind of clutch problems. The best way to keep your transmission working well and lasting longer is to service it at the regular maintenance periods using the correct transmission fluid. The use of the wrong transmission fluids can damage your transmission, and they're costly to repair or replace. When you find yourself in need of a transmission service, make sure to go somewhere that uses the correct fluids and knows the correct procedures. If you find your vehicle in the shop and it needs a transmission replacement, it's good to go with a manufacturer's approved replacement that is built by the professionals who know the vehicle. Just like checking the oil in your engine, checking the oil in your transmission is important. Most transmissions these days have a dipstick that is easily accessible. This dipstick can be read with a high and low mark depending on whether the transmission's hot or cold. Maintaining your transmission is important. Transmissions are very expensive, and the labor to replace them is costly also. Well, thanks for watching the Proctor Car Tips. My name's Jeremy, and we'll see you next time.